Hey everyone, Charting Man Dan from ChartGuys.com. You know, behind every single video that we put out every single day, there's a wonderful community of traders that we want to invite you to be a part of. Try the free 7-day trial and gain access to our live market broadcasts every morning and afternoon, interact with hundreds of like-minded traders, or take part in one of our dedicated chat rooms, each led by an analyst that's there to answer your questions in real time. Our trial is risk-free with absolutely no commitment or credit card required to experience the TCG community. For those looking for a head start in technical analysis, check out our entries and exits course in the link below in the description. Get up to speed with the fundamentals of TCG technical analysis and experience over 5 hours of great community-driven trading education.
Hey guys, it's James the Chart Guys. It's Tuesday, June 27th, continuing my nightly video on natural gas. Natural gas had this unexpected gap out and regained the 4 and 80 EMAs, gained the 20 EMA, has a TCG bull cross going. The gap up was on a really weak volume, honestly, and today's volume was even smaller. So anytime we've had this volume decline like this, we've had some type of big move happen the next day. So here we've had this big gap up play here. That could be also due to a contract change. I'll have to check that. And then here it thinned out really low and then had this gap up here, seeing that same pattern. So it'll be interesting what happens with the inventory reports coming up to see if we see another big gap up from here or if we pull back. So something I'm watching. I have no position in NATGAS. Again, NATGAS, we have the high of this. We have these long upper wicks here. The high here is 3.095. Then we have a lower high here of 3.087, and then another lower high of 3.082. Currently, the high is 3.06. So really needed to break to a higher high on the daily, and by doing that, that would be the 3.082 area. If we're unable to break to a higher high on the daily, I'd be a little concerned about NATGAS. I personally have no position in NATGAS right now. Normally, I would take a position bull on these TCG bull crosses above the 20 MA, as they've had a little bit of nice upside usually. So here, some decent upside. Here in February when I oversold, it was really nice back here. But again, right now, with all this back and forth in NATGAS, these gap ups and gap downs, I'm on the sidelines until I see something more clear on any type of pattern or technicals. Weekly, as far as the weekly chart goes, again, be aware that we have this high set in and then we have this low which broke the recent higher low here, but by setting a lower low, we did have a lot of dip buying there on the weekly chart. On the bounce, unable to set a higher high and then pulled back. So we could be in a pattern where we have our high in and our low in, and we're going to start setting lower highs and higher lows and be an equilibrium pattern until we break one way or the other. But again, I'm sidelines until I see something that really catches my eye on the NATGAS chart at this moment, with that daily chart just having all these gap ups and gap downs. Have a good night, and I will see you tomorrow.